All right, welcome to Earn 25 Today Members Area. Congratulations and welcome aboard. Now, you're stuck here and you've got 6 steps that you need to complete before you can actually start making your money. So the very first step in the process is either to build a website or to get a replicated version of our website. Now, as you can see, obviously you're proof that the website works. So why try to reinvent the wheel? All you need to do is order a replicated version of our website. You click on this very link here, and it'll take you to the site that'll allow you to order the website. It's $97. It's a one-time fee. You don't have to worry about paying for hosting. You don't have to worry about paying for a domain. You don't have to worry about renewing a domain. And you don't have to worry about monthly subscriptions. It's a one-time fee. The website is yours for life. And everything is already going to be set up by the time you receive the website. So the processor will be inputted into the website for you so that you can start collecting payment to your PayPal. Also, there'll be a redirect that'll go from your website directly into this members area. So all of your new people that are coming into the system will automatically have a way to be able to get into the system and to be able to continue the process as you're doing now. So once you've done step number 1, you're going to go ahead and set up your payment processor. You're going to follow the directions below. Now, if in the event you are a techie person and you can go ahead and design your own website, or if you can have someone do it for you, then the steps below here also show you exactly what you need to do if you decide you want to choose to build your own website. Now, I'm going to tell you guys this. There's a couple of things to go along with that. Number 1, you cannot and are not allowed to discount or increase the price in any way. The cost for being a member of Earn25.com is $25. That's it, no exceptions. I don't want to see anyone putting up a replication site for a penny or for $97. I don't want to see that. The case is it's $25 to become a member. So that's that. Also, if you decide to do this, you have to be able to utilize our refund policy. Okay? There's a legal disclaimer there that states what the refund policy is, and you need to follow that. Now, what we found is that most of our members choose to go the route of replication because of the fact that it's, number 1, the easiest way. There's no time involved. You send us a receipt, you send us your username for Payspree, and we automatically build that site for you within minutes. You don't have to sit there and wait 24 to 48 hours. It's almost instant. The minute we receive an email from you, our team starts to process it, and within a few minutes, you'll receive an email back with your website. The payment processor will already be there. Everything will already be attached to the site so that you can turn around and start making money immediately. Now, the other side of that is the cost factor. Even if you have someone who can build you a website, it obviously is going to cost you a lot more than $97 to build that site and to have all of the working parts put into the website so that you can effectively and seamlessly receive your payments each and every order. So, as I said, most of our members choose to go the route of doing the replicated website. The link is there for you. You'll automatically be able to collect your $25 on every single order that you have. It's a simple, done-for-you system. All you have to do is click on the link and order the site, and then continue to follow the directions in step 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And by the end of step number 6, you're all set and you're off to the races and making money. So, keep it simple and just continue to do what everyone else is doing and not try to reinvent the wheel. That's the easiest advice I can give, and I'll see you guys on the very next video.